Okay, this is going to be video number 1 in a series of videos. In this video, I will show you the state of my garden. Here we go. See the plant in the blue planter is a pepper, and it's finished for the season. It has a woody stem, so I am going to see if it will overwinter and give me peppers next year. I was successful in doing that with another pepper, so I'll try this. Next to it is my azalea plant, which will flower in the spring. And now, let us take a little walk. Any box that's out here has to be turned upside down unless it is full of something, because the pigeons will try to nest in something like that. And now we move on to why I don't like pigeons. First, I'll show you where they like to sit. Right there. And they sit with their butts. That's my wall. They sit with their butts on this side, and this is what they do. Most of it's covered up with a plate and needs to be cleaned up. And now, that is why I don't like the pigeons. And now you get to see where I have been putting my plants. On the rail. But sometimes a pigeon will get it into his head that he wants to land right there. And these plants have been sitting on the wall, and if a pigeon lands on it, and the thing is going to fall over, and I live 2 stories up, and if this plant falls on a little child's head, that child will die. This pepper has 3 little pepper plants left, and this, well, this is the dresser that it is sitting on. And these bottles are covering up the hole. You know, the spot with legs on it to keep the dresser up off the floor. That's the side of the dresser. And now we come to the beautiful part. The tomatoes are winding down, waiting for the last of them to ripen. Now, this is what some of the other plants are resting on. And there are two shelves on this. So this towel is covering up one shelf, and this towel is covering up the other shelf. Okay, and I have bottles in front and things in front of that too. And now we move on to the table. Do you not see this table? Is that not the most pitiful thing you have seen? I have to cover up a table with a big sheet, and pigeons have learned how to go under it, so I ended up making a mess with the bottles. And I have beautiful, beautiful plants which you might not be able to see. Summer flowers. This is the pepper that overwintered. And I harvested a bunch of ripe peppers and gave them to my neighbor, because she's very nice. Not the one with the water. The one downstairs who also catches the water. And these plants here are on the wall, on the banister. that tomato is dead. But see, I decided to put these peppers on the plants on the banister because, don't fall now. You see that plant down there? I can't see it, but if anything falls, it's only going to fall on those rocks or the tree. And so, that completes the tour of my patio. See you later.